Okay, Maling is going into Lindry as I feel lack of damage. I think the 10% from Horizon Focus is going to be goated. And the CDR you get is insane. I think if you want to do that, you go Lindry's third. Lindry has higher value later in the game because of the damage percent of HP. And the 6% bonus is going to go very hard with the other 10%. That's my guess, so... Yeah, this is horrible bot lane. But if we diggy hole, I think we can beat him. Tired of seeing Israel same. So busted, man. Fuck this champ. Every game. We see Israel every game. Rock and stone. Rock and stone, baby. Should've gone taste of blood. You do Valani lane jungle for the most part. You can do jungle though. Shut up. Don't kill people's dreams. You wanna play jungle, chat. As you saw earlier, it's viable. I played in Master Relo and we smurfed. It's just that easy. Velka's jungle works, chat. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. It works everywhere. Fuck white people, I'm a dwarf supremacist. God damn. That is an out-of-pocket comment. Honestly, dwarves in Hobbit were so fucking annoying. Am I the only one? I've never read the book, but in the movie, goddamn, they're fucking annoying. I was like, can some of you please die? You're fucking... You're just so tedious. And the main guy, the leader, was like such a pretentious cunt. Like, he did absolutely nothing entire movie, but he's like entitled to everything. Like, fuck off. I wanted all of them to just get exterminated. I don't know. Was that crazy for rooting for orcs, guys? Should've gone taste of blood. Then stupid free sustain.